This is Edith. Yeah.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy. I'm happy because I started on stem cells, but previously
Phytoscience stem cell.
Yes, Phytoscience stem cells. Previously, I wasn't that feeling well, but ever since I started, at least now I see some improvement. Right now, what I feel, the thing that right now I can testify on is I used to be so tired all the time, and I used to feel so tired if I climb stairs. If I would climb stairs, I would feel so tired. I breathe heavily and all that. But now, everything is.
If you used to feel like you're losing it all.
Yeah, I used to feel like I'm losing it all, but now, I told Dr. Eunice, I told her that today I climbed stairs and I was very, very okay. I didn't feel anything.
That's good.
What was the problem?
The problem, they told me kidney cancer and all that, and that it had, is it metastasized?
Yes.
It had moved to the lungs. Yeah.
It had
Yes,
spread.
it had spread to the lungs, and breathing was a problem and all that. But now everything is getting back to normal. Even my breathing is now much better. I can now feel the breath that I'm breathing, right? That I'm breathing, and it is going straight to the lungs compared to before.
Okay, how about eating? How is it? Have you
Eating.
picked?
Yeah, I'm picking, only that I got some bit of constipation like you told me, but it is now okay. It's now okay. It has cleared.
How about drinking water?
Drinking, I do drink a lot.
Okay.
Day and
Then,
night I do drink.
do you still have constipation?
Today I'm okay. It was it happened yesterday and the other day.
Okay.
For the previous 2 days, but it
Okay.
has cleared. I'm now okay.
Okay, how often do you go for like short call? Is it frequently or it is now?
It is normalizing.
Okay. And then your sleep?
It's only that my sleep is a bit tampered a bit.
Okay.
But
How do you feel when you're
if I
sleeping?
used to oversleep, and he knows, he used to call me sleeping beauty.
Wonderful.
Okay.
How long have you used our therapy?
This is the third week.
Yes,
This is the third week. How many sachets of the stem cell in particular? Did you start with the double stem cell or crystal
I
cell?
started with a double.
How many sachets in a day?
I was taking 2.
One in the morning.
One in the morning, one in the evening.
Now, according to the medics, your past history and the documents, it was cancer confirmed or not confirmed?
It
Confirmed.
was confirmed.
Confirmed several labs.
Several labs. Chemotherapy, you had started on chemotherapy, you
I
mentioned.
even finished
The sessions.
the 6 sessions. So,
You finished the 6.
so I started on the new one. Yes, so we decided to leave it. Though they wanted to leave me on immunotherapy, but still, because I had a video saying that any form of over chemotherapy, over radiotherapy, over what, provided it is those things they're injecting in your body. Yeah. So I decided I'll not go back for that, since I'm also seeing improvement. And even the coughing, before I used to over cough and all that, but I see there is a difference because ever since I started taking the chlorophyll,
The
SnowphyllForte.
Yes.
yeah, there is a way it is clearing my chest.
Okay, maybe what I can add on, you need to go back and for thorough checkup, and at least you see the results. You compare the results.
2 months.
Yeah, after your dose here,
On top of that,
you can go for review.
I will.
Don't stop the medication, because remember I told you you have to combine the medication, because the stem cells is not medicine. You get it? So you have to combine the stem cells and the medication, and you have to go back. They check up. At least they tell you how your status is. Yeah.
Okay, that is wonderful.
Otherwise, we glorify God and we really Thank you.
Mr. Michael, how do you feel?
Change.
What is your assessment since the way you came and how you see her?
Okay, for me it's challenging because I'm away from home for weeks. Get back and I'm around for just a short time. But it's good to see there's an improvement. She's not the same person that I left when I went. But she's improving and I hope to see more and more of that.
Ah, wonderful. So, Mama, me, I've observed something with her hair, honestly.
The hair.
That maybe she has not seen. I don't know whether the doctor has seen, but the last time I saw her,
I've seen the hair, the skin,
it was different.
the smile,
Yeah,
the
her hair
eyes,
Maybe
in
the
particular.
smile and the eyes, those ones have really changed.
and the
Yeah,
skin.
so thank God.
You see the
But
eyes,
the eyes,
tell a lot, and the skin.
the eyes, those ones I know that they have totally changed.
They have changed.
Before mom would tell me, the
eyes were pale.
they were so pale, but now at least I see there is life in them.
So is it okay if I share this with some of our people so that they can also be impacted maybe in one way?
Because me, I'm okay.
You are okay. How about Papa? I mean, Mister.
I know she's a miracle.
She's a miracle. Hey,
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
that is wonderful. So thank you for having the faith and belief in whoever shared with you about our therapy, our stem cells. And maybe that's why sometimes I tell people when I'm speaking to people about this that so-and-so could be somebody's angel. So that person that shared with you about this, now you can testify that they are
My brother.
God sent.
After seeing him so strong and energetic, and yet before when we had last seen him, he was down. And
Actually, we used to be the ones that
you
encourage
would
him.
encourage him.
You would encourage
This time
him.
around, he was the one encouraging us.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It
Ah,
really
wonderful.
pushed us, to sacrifice whatever we had to say that. Let's
Now you have consumed for only 3 weeks. Imagine by the time you finish the 4 months of that therapy, it will
I'm
be
happy about when we started. She had constant pain. It wouldn't go, but now
constant pain.
Yeah.
she doesn't
Yeah, I had
feel it.
it.
And the back used to tell me the back.
And this constant pain here. But now, remember, I was taking painkillers twice, morning and morning.
Which ones were you taking?
I was taking trap.
Trap. Were you also put on morphines before that?
I wasn't morphine, but even the tramadol that started failing to work on me. So that is why I was now taking 2. I was even
That was
resorting
too
to taking
much.
3, and yet I know that it is strong. But now I'm good only when I feel like I'm tired of that kind of discomfort. That is when I do take once in a while. But
What is it that you couldn't do before? Before even the chemo and whatnot, that cancer, the challenges that...
walking. Yesterday, when he was coming back, I was like, let me take a walk. As you're coming, we meet halfway. So I was like, because I felt I had at least some bit of energy to walk. But before, me with walking, no. Yes. Yesterday I was like, let me, as you're coming, let's meet halfway. Me, I will be walking. Then, so he found me on the way. I had started my journey. Slowly by slowly. But before, even thinking about walking, I didn't want. So, the mere fact that at least it started thinking in my mind that I have to try now to walk. Yes, it encourages me that so yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for that feedback. I'm also happy, Martin, here. It gives me the energy to speak more and talk more when I'm, telling people about this therapy, and we are spreading it through the country and beyond, and people are being helped. It gives us the confidence to reach out to the next person, and even through you, definitely you know many more who are equally challenged, and that you'll be talking to them as well about the same. So we appreciate that feedback. Though it is just 3 weeks, into the therapy, you still have months to go. I'm sure you'll be extremely very happy about this. Thank you. We also appreciate your husband, because had he discouraged you, and not given you the faith and the belief and the morale, perhaps it would be a different story. So we appreciate him as well. I also want to take this chance to appreciate Papa, Dr. Higenyi, because there is a way he developed confidence in our therapy, in that the brother who used never to walk because of the gout and arthritis, it became a different story. Then eventually he led us to the son-in-law through Lydia, and that's how you also got the information.
And also I want to extend it to my mom.
Wonderful.
great.
You want to extend to your mom. So
That's good.
that's how God does his things. So thank you so much, and we hope that you can always enjoy, and you will get better and better and better.
Right now,
Yeah.
I'm myself.
Yeah, yourself.
Yes, I'm back
Yeah.
to myself. I'm coming back to myself. The old me that I want to be again.
Yeah.
That's great. That's good.
Thank you.